Okay. I can't believe I'm actually doing this. This is kind of cringe. I'm shooketh. Okay. So, hopefully you never watch it, because I'm pretty sure you're gonna watch it. Dude, I'm looking everywhere. I'm not used to this. Okay, so the reason I feel like I should record is because I feel like something's crazy gonna happen. Either a lot of things are gonna fly and try to hit us, or I honestly feel like there's gonna be a chair gonna fly around, because I live in Houston. Fuck, I said where I live. I live in Texas. I was about to say where I actually live. Okay, I live in Texas, and right now, today is August 25th, 2017, and currently we have a hurricane or a tornado. Is it the same thing? Is it? No. I don't want to say anything because I feel like I'm gonna look stupid. I'm pretty sure it's like kind of different, or like, I don't know. I'm gonna just shut up because I don't. Okay. Okay. Back to the thing. I feel like a chair's gonna fly, either gonna hit my door or like make a lot of noise, or it's gonna hit my windshield of any of my cars. The reason I say cars is I'm not rich or anything, but I have like a lot of cars that are broken down. Yeah, but hopefully it hits my dad's car. Okay, not to be an asshole, you already probably think I'm an asshole, but that's how I feel like I should record, and like be not just be like recording and be like, why the fuck are you recording? But like record something interesting, cause I feel like I'm gonna be bored, but I'm pretty sure something's interesting gonna happen, or either something funny's gonna happen. So yeah. Oh, I didn't do my intro. Edit that out. Edit that out. Okay. Edit that out too, please. Okay. Hi guys. Okay, I'm sorry. This is my first vlog. This is my first video. Is my phone over? Okay. This is my first video ever that I actually done by myself. The rest that you can see is like stupid videos, like to make fun of myself, or like dumb silly videos where my sister. But today, hopefully I can actually make a video that's actually interesting and not boring. Hopefully you're intrigued and interested. Like, I'm not gonna get up. I'm too lazy. But hopefully I'm actually recording. But yeah, I don't want to be that type of person and be like, comment below or subscribe or like my video. Like, I don't know. I feel lame. Honestly, I don't think this is gonna go up. I feel like people are gonna watch me and they're gonna be like, why the fuck am I watching you? Okay, well, hopefully I didn't bore you guys. I don't know what to say. What the fuck? I actually don't. I can't believe I'm actually doing this, you know? Okay, it's awkward. Okay. I think that's pretty much it. The reason why I started recording is to tell you guys why I'm recording, which is because I feel like something interesting is gonna happen in the hurricane. The hurricane's name is Harvey, so I'm not that afraid, because all I imagine is Steve Harvey, or an old man named Harvey, you know? It's like not that powerful, but that bitch is huge. But yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Excuse me. So like, are you single? No, I'm just kidding. I'm bored. I'm honestly bored. I don't know when the lights are gonna turn off, or when it's coming, or I don't know. I honestly don't know right now. It's just raining. It's just like not raining horribly. It's drizzling. It's like really light drizzle, I think, right now. But like later on, I think around 2, it's gonna start raining. Which right now, I didn't want to be this type of person, but right now it is 8:46. I feel lame. Okay, I feel like the camera's not focusing because I'm moving too much or I'm acting so stupid, but yeah. I'm gonna start recording because it's kind of awkward talking to nobody, but I do that all the time because I don't have friends. Okay, bye. I have 13 followers. Hi guys. I'm gonna put my sandals on.
How lonely is they having to talk to old men over the internet?
Bitch, like you're calling for attention so I can put you on here.
He does. He likes it. Look at her.
Right, let's go.
You like it, don't you? Let's go.
If you're interested in our channel, we will make more videos about incest and
Right, say it. Get you the sign off is you cute me.
Okay, guys. So right now we're actually going to McDonald's because we're bored. We're bored hungry. ¿Tienes mi chanclas?
No, por allí estaban, por allí, no sé por dónde. ¿Ya lo viste?
Yeah.
Acá están las llaves.
Okay. So right now, we're actually going to McDonald's because we're bored hungry. Bored hungry is like literally in the name. We are bored, and we're just gonna eat because we're bored. Not because we're hungry, but because we're bored. Yeah, it's raining.
It's my turn.
Go. You got your eyes closed, Reach? So right now, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna talk.
So you're fucking crazy right now. Alright, these are good, by the way.
Are you not gonna eat them? I don't want them. Okay, so right now during the hurricane, it's literally raining, but not that bad. It's just windy, so we're just gonna go get something to eat. Oh, I'm gonna go get my wallet.
Wait, did y'all really just buy them to make YouTube videos?
Yeah, Lily wants to do YouTube videos.
I'm trying to get the live one. The one y'all upload straight to YouTube.
Where does it go? I don't know. Where does it go? Can I get the 4-piece?
And 2 McDoubles, only ketchup?
No.
Can I get the 250 deal?
No. I'm sorry, can you take that off and it'll be McDouble the way it comes?
Can I get the 250 deal with the nuggets and the fries?
Okay.
And can you make the nuggets fresh, please?
Can I get another one of the 6-piece nugget combo? No, just a 250 meal.
You said combo.
Sorry.
Okay. Anything else?